Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, classmates. I am Zara Maglante. We'll be going to discuss the Chapter 3 and Chapter 4 of our strategic plan with our chosen company, which is the Asialink Finance Corporation. So in Chapter 3, we have the analysis of internal environment. So when you say internal, it is the strength and weaknesses of our chosen company. So in this chapter analyzes the firm's internal environment and how Asialink Finance Corporation use of its business and resources to maximize their strength and address their weaknesses. So we use the IFE, which means the internal factors. Evaluation matrix was used in order to audit the company's internal position. Next is marketing. Marketing is the process of getting consumers interested in your company's products and service. This happens through market research, analysis, and a solid understanding of your ideal consumers' wants and needs. So in Asialink, they know the needs and wants of their clients very well. And they has offered their products and services in two different markets, which is the industrial and commercial. So this means all of these products and services can be used in industrial because if you are going to loan a truck, you can use it for constructions. And if it's commercial, their loans can be used in making business that serves clients. Product: car mortgage, truck mortgage, brand new and pre-owned car financing, brand new and pre-owned truck financing. So these products are offered by Asialink Finance Corporation, and you can avail this product by presenting your original ORCR and your land title as a collateral. So car and truck mortgage, the transaction is between the borrower and the Asialink. So the fees will be deducted automatically in proceeds. Car and truck financing, it involves a dealer, so you can get your loan as a whole, but you need to pay first the fees before they can process and release you a check. Price: each of our financing services guarantees that you get only the best rates and the highest value to give the customers only the best value loan that we ever find in the market. So Asialink Finance Corporation's interest across all our loans can fall as low as 1.5% with a maximum of only 4%. We offer this while also providing you with a flexible amortization schedule. So it means a period of payment showing the amount of principal and the amount of interest that comprise each payment, and multiple term options that work to your advantage. So multiple term means you are going to pay your loan by 12 months, 24 months, or 36 months. So as we interview, the longest multiple payment they've handled is 36 months. And there are also changes in their interest rates because of this pandemic. So the interest rates can fall as low as 1.25% and with a maximum of 4%. So Asialink Finance Corporation can lend the customer an amount of as high as 70% of the vehicle appraised value. So if you are going to loan a newer model car from 2019 and up, so it has a high market value. So for example, I have here a Honda Civic 2020 and it amounted 1 million. So with the Asialink Finance Corporation can give you 70% of this amount. So it has 700,000 pesos. So the Asialink Finance Corporation can lend you 700,000 pesos out of your original ORCR. Place. So as you can see in the picture, this is the main branch of Asialink Finance Corporation here in Davao City, and it was located at the second floor, Unit 1, UCPB, San Pedro Street 38-A, Davao City. And they have also branches in Buhangin and Toril. As we did the interview, they told us that there's a vacant building beside them, and it's much wider and it can accommodate more employees and more clients. So they will transfer there at the end of the month. Promotions. So as of now, Asialink Finance Corporation has only Facebook and a website. So if you are willing to loan in Asialink, so you can directly go to their website. But some of their clients came from Facebook. Actually, as we did the interview, they honestly told us that they didn't venture yet on social media, because more of their some of their marketing staffs are also their consultants. So their consultants also has jobs in offices. Market. At Asialink, we believe that every Filipino deserves the chance to start their own business, buy a house, or even purchase their dream cars. Um, Asialink Finance Corporation is not international yet, but their target market is the Filipinos, and they don't discriminate as long as your estimated monthly income or your net income is high, or as long as you are capable enough to pay your bills. But Asialink Finance Corporations venture to introduce their company abroad organization in the human resource. So in the year 1997, a group of enterprising executives, namely Robert Jordan, Ruben Lugto, and Mr. Wilfredo Anastasio, combining their strength, they started the Asialink Finance Corporation with a capital of 3 million. And it was a good start. With a good demand and a son of credit, the company they formed is now leading and fastest growing finance company here in the Philippines. Operations. So in Asialink Finance Corporations, they have marketing, the CRD, which means Credit Review Department, and releasing. So under marketing, they have marketing staff and sales rep. They are the persons who will get the client, or they are the persons who will talk directly to the customers. Next is the CRD. Under CRD, they have the persons called CIs, the one who will check if you are capable and or you are accredited to demand a loan. Lastly, releasing. Under releasing, they have LPTA, which means loan processor slash treasurer assistants. They are the one who will process your loans, and if you are willing, if you are capable enough to pay your loans, then that's the time they will issue a check. Finance. So I have here the two strongest competitors of Asialink Finance Corporations, which are the UCPB Leasing Finance Corporation and the DBP Leasing Corporation. So I have here the total assets of the three companies within the year 2016 and the year 2017. Unfortunately, the Asialink Finance Corporation didn't allow us to have their latest total assets because it was confidential. So we have a limited resources and we only rely online. So in the year 2016, as you can see, the GCPB Leasing Finance Corporation has the highest total assets, amounted 3 billion 813 million 302,410 pesos. While in the year 2017, their total assets was decreasing up to negative 9.36%, amounted 3,456,280,624. While the DBP Leasing Corporations in the year 2016, they have a total assets of 2,330,281,040 pesos. While in the year 2017, their total assets increased up to 14.58%, amounted 2,669,383,938 pesos and 12 cents. While the Asialink Finance Corporation in the year 2016, they have a total assets of 2,092,613,825 pesos. And the total assets was increasing. It increases as 37.89% in the year 2017 amounted to 2,885,555,356.61 pesos. Internal Factor Matrix, or the IFE. So I have here the list of strengths and weaknesses of the Asialink Finance Corporation. So first, the strengths: highly skilled workforce through successful and training learning programs. So as we did our research, their employees are very knowledgeable. They know what they are doing. Even though the new hired uh, also hit their quotas, and they are also learning programs outside Davao, such as Manila and Cebu. Next is high level of customer satisfaction. Uh, most of their employees told us that their customers is very satisfied with them because they have the fast and accommodating services. They can process and release your loans within a day. Next is the automation of activities brought consistency of quality. So the Asialink Finance Corporation uses an automated software called Sophia, where you can input your computation and it automatically connects your interest rate, your processing fee, and deductions. Next is weaknesses. First is there are gaps in product range sold by the company. So in this kind of pandemic, they cannot offer a non-collateral because they cannot trust a client, and they didn't know if the client is capable enough to pay their loans. And also, it is hard for the company to take a risk. Next is the high attrition rate in workforce. So attrition rate means turnover rate. Actually, we did an interview of Miss Leia. She's a new hire. She's been 2 months for the company. She's an LPTA already. So LPTA means loan processor / treasurer assistant. So she has 2 jobs, but her salary is minimum. So since the job demand is high, but they are less compensated. Lastly, lacking effort in marketing products. So Asialink Finance Corporation is not into marketing because there are a lot of work in the office, and they cannot go to field. Vision, mission, goals. So in the Asialink Finance Corporation, they only have mission and vision. So for the mission, our mission is to provide accessible, fast, and convenient loans today. This is the affirmation and the mission statement that they really want to provide a fast and accommodating service to their clients, to the point that they can release and process those loans within 1 day. Next is vision. Our vision is to be a key driver of economic growth by providing inclusive financial access, by becoming the most dynamic and trusted lending partner. We enable to grow, and we help individuals achieve their dreams. So their vision is to help their clients to achieve their dream house, dream cars, their businesses, and also to help uplift the economic growth here in the Philippines. Stakeholder analysis. So when we say stakeholders, these are the persons or entity that has an interest in the business or project. So in Asialink Finance Corporations, we have the customers, employees, loan consultants, and dealers. So we also have an expectations and service opportunities. So for the customers, the expectation is high standard products offered. So of course, if your car is second hand, the Asialink Finance Corporation assigned officers that they will check your car if it's okay or not. Next is fair price. Of course, if you have a loan in Asialink, if you have a triple loan, of course you can also get a triple interest rate, fair processing fees, and fair deductions. Next is quick response and inquiries. Of course, if the customers have questions, we need they need to answer all the questions. Next is service opportunities for the customers. Um, Provide durable, high quality products that can meet customers' expectations, offer affordable and reasonable prices, quickly responding and providing customers' needs. Next is employees, of course, expectation, knowledgeable employees. Next is benefits and wages. Unfortunately, uh, the benefits is right, but the employees are less compensated. So for the service opportunities, employees are committed with its work field and responsibilities, medical insurance, regular adequate salary pay. Good thing that the Asian Link Finance Corporation have a fund for their medical insurance such as MHO. Next is the loan consultant and dealers. So for the expectation, they provide a great assistance to clients. Of course, because they are the one who will talk directly to the customers and to build a good relationship. For the service opportunities, responsive and fast, and has a good connection with them in providing great service and customers.